Sinasabi,
lang.
sinasabi kasi dito sa sulat na ito na tama.
Ayan. Ito pa, isa pa to ah. Ito, naturingan teacher, pero ang hina ng ng logic. Ay, alam mo, hina ng logic nito. Bakit teachers? Di ba ano yan Act teachers yan party list They're representing teachers kuno. Pero pagdating sa pag-uunawa, ang hina. Papaliwanag ko sa inyo kung bakit ang hina ng kokote nito Tingnan nyo yung dahilan niya Tingnan nyo, panoorin ninyo. Kayo na magsabi.
Request lang sa COA na wag pagbigyan yung aming
Wag pagbigyan. Request lang, di ba? Sinasabi nyo, request lang. Wag pagbigyan. Mga condescending talaga ito mga to Itong, totoo naman, child abuser, convicted. Yan ang sinabi ng batas. Convicted child abuser.
request for the subpoena.
It was really just a request directed.
Request lang naman yan. Tingnan ninyo tingnan ninyo. Walang kukurap dahil maraming... Walang kukurap. Tingnan ninyo yung paliwanag ni Franz Castro Tingnan ninyo.
To the Commission on Audit, Your Honor.
Pero Mr. Chair,
Pero,
on the second paragraph nung kanyang letter, letter po ni Attorney Lopez, nakalagay dito, we are of the position that the subject subpoena should not.
yan. Yan ang kanyang argument. Ang ginamit daw kasi should not. Therefore, should not is not pakiusap. Naturingan ka ring representante ng mga teacher pero hindi mo alam ang sinasabi mo bakit kanyo? Tuloy.
Be complied with for the following reasons. Ayun, na-explain mo na yon. Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng should not? Are you commanding?
Should not? Are you commanding? Ako nagtatanong lang bobo ka ba? Hindi, ako nagtatanong lang, bobo ka ba? Anong should not? Are you not commanding daw? Should not is not a command. Ano ba? Gusto nyo malaman, mga kababayan? I-google ninyo. Magagalit si AI. Ako na mismo nag-google. Hindi, i-google ninyo. The difference between should not and must not. Ito, sagot ni AI. AI overview ng Google. Ayan sabi niya. Should not is used to give advice or express an opinion. Advice lang o opinion laang. While must not is issued to prohibit or forbid something. Ibig sabihin, yung should not is just an advice. It is not a demand like what this... Ay, nako. Ayan nakasulat pa. Basa. Should not used to give advice or express an opinion in a negative sentence. For example, you should visit the doctor soon. You should. Dapat ikaw ay pumunta. Ano yung must not? Used to prohibit or forbid something. For example, student must not copy their work from the internet. It is a command. Ang must not. Ayan, nakasulat pa sa baba. Must is used to express strong obligation for necessity. For example, one must obey the traffic rules to avoid accident. Must not is a serious modal and is more common in writing than in speaking. It has no question form or past tense form. Ibig sabihin, ang must not ang command. Ang should not is not a command. It is just an advice. Anak ng weteng. Ako, hindi ako matalino pero hindi ako bobo. Gago! Alam ko yan. Kaya nga nung una ko palang narinig, sandali, sabit siya na. When you say you should not do this, you should not do that, ibig sabihin, sinasabihan mo siya, oy, wag mong gawin yan kasi hindi maganda yan. Di ba? Parang ano yan. Pero yun ay may choice ka. Ibig sabihin, you have the option of not following the advice na nagsabi sa'yo na you should not do that. Pero pag sinabi sa'yo, you must not do that. Or else. Di ba? May ganyan eh. You must not do that. Ibig sabihin, mas may diin yan. Yan ang command. Madam, how come you do not know that? Ako nagtatanong lang, madam. Bobo po ba kayo? Ako nagtatanong lamang po Tanong lang po yung salitang bobo. Bobo po ba kayo, madam? Kasi tila hindi nyo alam ibig sabihin ng should not at saka must not. Nagtatanong lang ako.
Are you demanding the COA na wag sumunod doon sa subpoena duces tecum?
Ayun, ulitin natin Ulitin natin yung bahagi na yan.
Dito sa sulat na ito na tama ba request lang sa not be complied with for the following reasons. Ayun, na-explain mo na yon. Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng should not? Are you commanding? Are you demanding the COA na wag sumunod doon sa subpoena duces tecum?
If, Your Honor, Mr. Chair,
Please continue, Attorney Lopez.
yes, if you read the the entirety of the letter, it is really a respectful request sa Commission on Audit. We are not demanding them or instructing them. It is really a respectful request if you read in the entirety.
Well,
Yes, oo. Pero pag should kasi parang demanding na yon, commanding na yon para sa akin, no?
para sa iyo may sarili kang bokabularyo. Tinuruan talaga. Hindi ko naman nilalait to, ano? Saang universidad po ba kayo graduate? University of Mountain? Galing po ba kayo sa bundok? Tinuruan nyo pa yung abogado?